Welcome to our class's website. This website is an easy way to find anything and everything that relates to our class. On our homepage, you can read a little about me and what our class will be like. There is also a link to our flipped classroom and the code to access it if you haven't already accessed it, as well as my email. Down here is a link to our Twitter account for our classroom, and a link to my YouTube channel, which will host a lot of videos that will help you during our class. Under the Students tab is a link to Mrs. Barnes' class blog. This blog page will help us communicate with each other, and I will be able to communicate with you as well. Down here it tells you what KidBlog allows us to do. KidBlog allows students to focus on writing, students to provide feedback for their peers, receive feedback from their peers, and then teachers can communicate feedback to their students. If you simply click on here, if you use this join code, you can join and quickly be a part of our KidBlog. Here's the homepage for Mrs. Barnes' first grade class KidBlog. Over here, under Parents, is a good way for parents to keep in contact with Mrs. Barnes. I know that we sometimes have questions that we would like answered, and the quickest way to get them answered is filling out this form here. And then this form connects directly to my email, so the minute I can respond to you, I will. Then we have our curriculum page. Right now we are in the middle of our first unit of study, so I went ahead and put our 3 big documents for this unit up here so that parents can read them and understand what our class is doing right now. I also put a a feed to my Twitter so that way you can kind of see as it goes and it's updated. You will see it on the side here. And I also put links that are helpful, links to videos that explain some of the technology that we'll be using in our classroom, so that way you can access them in our classroom or at home. If you have any questions for Mrs. Barnes regarding our website or regarding our class, again, if you're a parent, you click on the parent section, you contact me. Students, we can write it in our blog or you can simply ask me. But I wanted to make sure that you guys felt welcome to our class and get ready. It's going to be the best year yet.